Okay, so the mean for the 16 people, okay, is the sum of all the money value here. So only one of these, but there's 2 supervisors and the 4 managers and 8 factory workers. So all of that divided by 16 is going to be the mean. Okay, median, right? Median is going to be, so there's 16 numbers. So median is going to be the average between the 8th and the 9th number. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 50,000 is the 8th number. And then the 9th number is 35. Divide that by 2, that's the median. And the mode is the most occurring number, so it's 35,000. So here are the values. Okay. So that's the answer for part A. If the director wants to attract new factory workers, how should they report the average salary? So if the director wants to entice other people, more the better, right? So we should represent the middle income with median. So mean is the highest value, right? Mean. If one of the factory workers wants a raise, should he use mean, median, or mode to justify his demands? Right? Again, you want more money, so you should demand with the mean value. Right? You can say, hey, on average, people are earning 64,000. I'm only making 35,000. This is not fair. Can I get a raise? And lastly, which one measures the actual average salary? So I think the median does. And the reason for it is because you can't really, there's only like 2 people that are getting paid really high like this. So these are considered like outliers. Right? There's only a few people that are actually like the president or CEO. So it's best to use a method that does not include these huge values, and that's the median. And mode is not good here because you're really only like taking the lowest paid and most often occurring salary. So that's not a good indicator of the middle value.